मैं गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल नंबर 4 बदली मत वरंगबाड़ा दीव से हूँ। मैं अपना शून्य निवेश नवाचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। इस नवाचार का नाम है आओ मिलकर ज्ञान बढ़ाएं। इस नवाचार में जो इस्तेमाल की गई सामग्री है, पुष्ट है, जो वेस्ट पड़े हुए जो बॉक्स के पुष्ट है, फिर चार्ट पेपर है, स्केच पेन है, न्यूज़पेपर है, पेंसिल आदि का इस्तेमाल किया गया है। इस नवाचार में बच्चों को विषय ईवीएस से संबंधित लिया गया है। बच्चों को बॉडी के बारे में आसानी से समझ पा सके। फिर जो हमारा जो TLM है वो है ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी, जो बच्चों को बॉडी के बारे में बताना जरूरी है। और मैं बताना हमारे शरीर के बारे में हम बात करते हैं। जो हमारा शरीर बहुत ही अद्भुत है, क्योंकि शरीर वाकई में एक अद्भुत और जटिल होता है। उसकी संरचना को समझना बच्चों के लिए आसानी हो जाएगी। हमारा जो शरीर होता है वो किसी फैक्ट्री या मशीन से कम नहीं है। इसलिए मैं बच्चों को एक TLM बॉडी का एक जो TLM होता है उसके आधार पर मैं पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ। ये है हमारा TLM, जो ये हमारी पहली बॉडी है जो बाह्य तरह से इस तरह हम देखते हैं। फिर ये है सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, यानी कि रक्त परिचलन तंत्र। ये हमारे दो नलिकाएं होती हैं। एक तो ये वाली नलिका हुए नीला रक्तवाही और ये लाल रक्तवाही। जो नीला रक्तवाही है वो अशुद्ध होती है क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन उसमें कम होता है, और लाल रक्तवाही होती है वो शुद्ध होती है जिससे ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है। और ये है हमारा मस्कुलर सिस्टम, यानी कि मांसपेशी तंत्र। इसमें ह्यूमन बॉडी में 700 मसल्स होते हैं, उससे बनी होती ये मांसपेशी तंत्र। और ये है स्केलेटल सिस्टम, ये हमारा कंकाल तंत्र है। ये हमारा बॉडी इस तरह दिखता है। ये है स्कल, यानी कि हमारी खोपड़ी है। फिर ये है रिब केज, जो ये 12 पैरों से बना होता है। और रिब केज यानी कि हार्ट पिंजर, जो लंग्स और हार्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करता है। ये हमारा फिफ्थ। और ये है हमारा रिब केज, जो 12 पैरों से बना हुआ है। ये हमारा हार्ट पिंजर है। फिर ये है, इस तरह खोलेंगे तो हमारा ये हमारा लंग्स है, जो ये है हमारे यहाँ की वाइन पाइप और फूड पाइप, जो इस तरह होती है। ये है स्ट्रेचिया, जो हमारे ये राउंड है, ये है स्ट्रेचिया। ये हमारा लंग्स है। इस तरह हमारा बॉडी में होता है। फिर ये हमारा है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, यानी कि पाचन तंत्र। ये है हमारा स्टमक यानी कि अमाशय, ये हमारा है लिवर यानी कि यकृत, फिर ये हमारा है प्रिक्रियस यानी कि अग्नाशय, फिर ये हमारा है ये है स्मॉल इंटेस्टिन यानी कि छोटा आंत, और ये है लार्ज इंटेस्टिन यानी कि बड़ा आंत। फिर यहाँ आएंगे हम यूरिनरी सिस्टम, ये हमारा यूरिनरी सिस्टम है। देखो ये किडनी है हमारी, ये दोनों हमारी किडनियाँ हैं। फिर यूरेथ्रिस है, फिर यूरिनरी ब्लैंडर है, फिर यहाँ होता है यूरेथ्रा, और ये हमारा हार्ट है यानी कि देखो ये अशुद्ध रक्त को शुद्ध करता है, और ये हमारा हार्ट 1 सेकेंड में 72 बार धड़कता है। ऐसे धक 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 होता है ना, वो इस तरह इसमें होता है। और ये हमारा हार्ट है जो मुट्ठी जितना होता है। ये है स्कल को हम खुलेंगे तो ये हमारा ब्रेन है। देखो यहाँ हमारा 2 ब्रेन यानी कि ये हमारा ब्रेन है। फिर और ये हमारा है वर्टिब्राई, ये इस तरह हमारी हड्डियाँ होती है। ZIIEI ने मुझे अपना नवाचार प्रदर्शित करने का बढ़िया अवसर दिया है। मुझे खुशी है कि श्री अरविंद सोसाइटी और HDFC बैंक ने डिजिटल प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया गया है, और मैं उसकी आभारी हूँ कि धन्यवाद। and stay home and stay safe.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नीता है। सबसे पहले तो धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी ZIIEI और HDFC बैंक का, जिन्होंने ये एग्जीबिशन शुरू किया है और टीचर्स को प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है। मेरे यहाँ इस एग्जीबिशन में ये हमारे स्कूल द्वारा बनाए गए सारे के सारे TLM हैं, और कुछ TLM हमारे स्कूल के खराब हो गए हैं। कारण सिर्फ इतना ही है क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल में कायाकल्प का काम चला है और ये पेंट वगैरह का काम हुआ है, व्हाइट वॉश हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे स्कूल के बहुत सारे TLM खराब हो गए। ये सारे TLM हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों और स्टाफ के द्वारा मिलकर बनाए गए हैं। जितने भी TLM आप देख रहे हैं, इसमें से कुछ TLM जैसे ये है, ये बच्चों को गणित का जोड़ घटा सिखाने के लिए हमने एक छोटी सी गणित मशीन बनाई है, जिसमें बच्चों को इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से हम गणित के जोड़ घटा सवाल सिखाते हैं। ये वाटर डिस्पेंसर है जो हमारे पास के कक्षा 5 के बच्चे प्रिंस द्वारा बनाया गया है। ये प्लेस वैल्यू के लिए हमने बनाया है, जिसमें हम बच्चों को प्लेस वैल्यू आसानी से सिखा सकते हैं। बच्चों को मजा भी आता है इसे करने में। और इसी का एक मॉडल और है हमारा छोटा सा, ये बच्चों द्वारा बनाए गए कमल का फूल है। ये बच्चों के कुछ क्राफ्ट्स हैं, ये क्राफ्ट्स हैं बच्चों के। ये हमारा वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का मॉडल है, जैसे ये हमारा तना है, ये जड़ है, पत्ती, ये फोटोसिंथेसिस का मॉडल। ये सारे के सारे मॉडल आप जितने भी देख रहे हैं शून्य निवेश में बनाए गए हैं, जिनके ऊपर खर्चा ना के बराबर ही हुआ है। ये बेकार पड़ी पॉलिथीन जो घर में वैक्सीन यूज की जाती है बरसात में, उसके ऊपर बनाया गया फोटोसिंथेसिस का मॉडल है। ये डब्बे में बनाया गया हमारा फिश एक्वेरियम है। पतली है हमारी, ये बेकार बॉक्स से बना हुआ हमारा वाटर टैंक है। इसी तरह से मिट्टी से बना हुआ हमारा वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का मॉडल है। जितने भी मॉडल आप हमारे विद्यालय में देख रहे हैं शून्य निवेश में ही बने हैं, और बच्चों को ये TLM पढ़ाने में भी मदद करते हैं। बच्चे अच्छी तरीके से सीखते भी हैं। जैसे ये ब्लूम कछुआ है हमारा, इसमें हमने ब्लूम शब्द बच्चों के लिए यूज किया। बच्चे ब्लूम शब्द आसानी से सीखते हैं। रोज एक ब्लूम शब्द हम उनको देते हैं कि इसमें से खुद अपनी पसंद का कोई भी ब्लूम शब्द छाटे और उसे याद करें। ये कुछ TLM है जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ। और ये एग्जीबिशन के लिए HDFC बैंक और अरविंद सोसाइटी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
everyone, I'm Angom Sarita Devi, presently posted at Vishnulal High School, Charhazare, Kampoki District, Imphal, Manipur. We can clear the doubts of the students that they might face while doing their lessons or the topic. Now, acute angle, as we have already discussed, what is it? It is less than 90 degree. Now, any angle which will lie between 0 and 90 degree will be acute angle. The example that I have given is 50 degree here. By rotating like this, we can show it to the students what are the examples of acute angles. Now, right angle. Right angle is the angle which is exactly 90 degree. Now, the pink shaded portion shows us 90 degree. That is, this is called right angle. Obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So it will lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. So any angle lying between them, like this, the example that I've given is 130 degree. So we can show 130 degree also like this way. Okay, now the next one is straight, an angle that is exactly 180 degree. 180 degree, here it is straight angle, right, isn't it? So we can show it to them like that way. Reflex angle, an angle that is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 180 degree, 360 degree, angle which will lie between them, like here. The example that I have taken there, 280 degree. Let's rotate it. 280 degree. Now the pink region depicts 280 degree, and this is an example of an reflex angle. Full angle, an angle that is exactly 360 degree. Let's go on. Yes, this is the full angle, 360 degree. Now, to make this teaching learning material, what I have done is I have taken colored chart papers, 2 colored chart papers, and I have cut them into 2 circles of different radius, one with the bigger radius and one with the a little bit radius. That radius can be of any measurement, and then I have fixed this one circle below like this way and the other one in such a way that attached in such a way that it can rotate by using an empty pen refill. Done. I am very thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society for giving us this training on zero investment innovation for educational initiatives, and SDFC Parivartan for supporting these initiatives. And I got an opportunity to showcase my innovative idea which helped me in a recognition on a national platform. Thank you.
I'm Hizam Washington Mitai, primary teacher of Lamlai Kuno Primary School, El Ladang 5, Saikul, Kampoki District, Manipur, for the initiative ideas on zero investment innovations. I'm taking 2 lessons for this class, from class 1 and one is from class 2. Now, I'm going to use paper, pen as classroom materials. Children are motivated with simple, easy questions, interesting questions before starting the class, and children will find, after announcing that, I'm going to teach the chapter by drawing, and children are let them watch the blackboard carefully. Children will not move, I understand, because they have very interest in drawing. Children love drawing, and their interest in drawing will be brought to this chapter. For the class 1, the first figure with the drawing of this, I am going to ask the children, what is this, going to make them understand the thing nearer to us, and when we teach them, and when we finger them, we use this, and the farther to us, we use that. So emphasizing this, in the chapter, some professional are drawn. So I'm going to draw some picture. There's a picture of and I have already prepared this one, so I'm going to show it there also. This drawing, the picture I have drawn a tree or flower who is planting. That is called a gardener. I will answer them, and I'll draw a full picture using marks, face mask, stethoscope, all this, and they will answer as a doctor, so with a stethoscope, and a professor, another teacher with a blackboard. So they will recognize it very easily. This is the chapter number 4 for class 2. This chapter can be combined easily with the drawing and to know the surrounding, professional and things. And motto of the lesson is letting them to know well. And for this, I am very thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society for imparting us the training on zero investment innovations for education initiative and IDFC Parivartan for opportunity to showcase innovative ideas which helped me win a recognitions on national platform. Once again, thank you very much, Aurobindo Society. Thank you.
Hi, I am Konjangbam Gautam Singh. I am an upper primary mathematics teacher of Waikhom Lekai Upper Primary School, Imphal West, Manipur. Today, I am going to present my zero investment innovation which is called Python board. Friends, materials which I have used for making Python board are 2 square cardboards of around 40 centimeter from any old carton box, pencil, marker, cutter, ruler, protractor, glue, painting brush and acrylic paint. Painting brush and acrylic paint can be optional, you can use without them also. Here I am going without painting brush and acrylic paint. Now let's see how to make a Python board. Take a square board, draw a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. Draw squares on the sides AC, AB and BC. Draw 2 lines from the midpoint of the square from AB which are parallel and perpendicular to AC. Cut out all the figures. Paste the first board on the second board. Paste the right triangle in its original position. The 3 squares can also be placed in their positions. There are several methods of proving Pythagoras theorem. This is one of the methods. Python board can be used for activity in the classroom to prove Pythagoras theorem. Students can be asked to remove the square described on AC. They have to fit the other 2 squares into that space. Using the concept of the area of square, they can conclude that area of the square on the hypotenuse is same as the areas of the other 2 squares together. And the most exciting part of the activity is fitting the 2 squares into the space of the biggest square. I'm glad that ZIIEI has given us a good opportunity to showcase our ideas. I'm happy that Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank have started organizing e-exhibitions for us. If you like my innovation, please give it a good rating. Thank you.
My name is Nongthombam Umesh Kumar Singh. I'm a teacher of Eastern Ideal High School, ZIIEI, Zone 2, Imphal East, Manipur. I'm thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society for imparting us the training on zero investment innovation for education initiatives and HDFC Parivartan for supporting this initiative, and I got an opportunity to showcase my innovative idea which helped me win a recognition on national platform. This TLM will help the students to learn the Indian number system as well as the international number system in a very easy and enjoyable way. Many of the time, TLMs are made by teachers only and then introduced to the students later. But I encourage my students to involve right from the very beginning of preparation of this TLM. This will ensure their creativity and also help them to retain what they have learned during the activity. These are some of the TLMs which my students prepare. With the help of this, they can also remember it for their lifetime. This TLM is very simple and easy to make, and its cost is minimal. For this, the materials required are hard paper, sketch pen, and horse blade. First, we have to draw the tables on the hard paper like this, one for the international system and another for the Indian system. Then we have to make two cuts with the help of this horse blade like this. We can also use scales to make the alignment straight. Then we have to make this strip. This strip is also made from this hard paper, and we level it from 0 to 9. Then we insert it on this from the back side like this, from behind like this, and make any number appear on this table. Now we have completed making our TLM. Now in the classroom, I give my students some random numbers. Say suppose 5, 6, 3, 2, 8, 7, 3, 2, 4. I have given this number and ask the students to construct this number in this TLM. Then they will construct it like this. Then I ask the students to read the number they have constructed in words loudly. In the Indian format, the students read out like this: 56 crore 32 lakhs 87,324. And in the international system, the students read out like this: 563,287,324. This exercise is enjoyed by the students and it enables them to understand both the number systems completely.
Hello everyone, my name is Chungkham Supriya Devi. I'm a teacher of PK Upper Primary School, which is located in the Imphal East district of Manipur. I am thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society for imparting us this training on zero investment innovation for education initiatives, and HDFC Parivartan for supporting this initiative. And I got an opportunity to showcase my innovative idea, which helped me win a recognition on national platform. As a part of this program, I have come up with an idea of using matchsticks as TLM in teaching the different types of angles to my students. So with the help of this, I am going to teach my student the concept of angles. Firstly, this is acute angle. The angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is an acute angle. The second one is right angle. The angle that measures exactly 90 degree is a right angle. The third one is obtuse angle. The angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is an obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. The angle that measures actually 180 degree is a straight angle. And the last one is reflex angle. The angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is a reflex angle. Not only this, I can also teach the different geometrical shapes with the help of these matchsticks. So with these 3 matchsticks, I'm going to give them an idea of triangle. So this is a triangle. The next one is square, where all the 4 sides are of equal length. And the next one is rectangle. So this is rectangle. For the concept of circle, we can use bangle as a simple example for circle, or we can also use a biscuit which is round in shape to have a clear idea of circle. After the concept has been made clear to my students, I will arrange a figure and make my students identify the number of triangles present in this big triangle. In this big triangle. So, in order to make the teaching learning process more interesting, I can call each one of my students and make a shapes or angles of their choice. And this will help them learn in a more interesting way. Thanks everyone.
Hello friends, my name is Venam Pilot Singh. I am a graduate teacher at Kisangtong High School, Imphal West, Manipur. Today's activity will be regarding area of a sector, and I'm going to verify the statement that area of a sector when the sectorial angle is 45 degree. For this, the material required are the cardboard or drawing paper, a compass, scale, scissor, glue, 2 different colors, and a marker. Okay. The first step will be taking an appropriate scale or a radius. We are going to draw a circle on the drawing paper, and which I have done it in earlier. This is the circular disc I have taken out from the white paper, and draw a line naming the center as 0 and draw a diameter AB. We are going to fold the circle along AOB so that we can get 2 different semicircles. And each semicircle must be painted with the 2 colors, one with the red and one with the blue color. Okay, and cut out along the diagonal so that we can get 2 semicircles. And after that, after cutting out the semicircle, we get 2 semicircles, and then each semicircle is again cut into 2 regions so that we can get 2 different quadrants. So the 2 semicircles combined together will give the 4 quadrants of the circle. We have 4 pieces over here, and 1 quadrant will again be folded into will again be cut into two regions, 2 equal regions of this size. Now the next thing we are going to do is we're going to take all the 8 parts and then using a glue stick, we're going to paste it on the drawing paper. Yes, I have done it in advance using alternate colors, yes, in this circular fashion. So what we notice here is we get the same circle as we have drawn earlier, and total combined area of all these sectors, 8 sectors, is equal to the area of a sector, which is pi r square. We have taken the area, radius of the circle as r, and 1 area of a sector will be equal to 1/8 into area of the circle, which is 1/8 into pi r square. 1/8 can be written as 45/360. 45 means when we measure the area sectorial angle of this sector, one sector, you'll get the sectorial angle as 45 degree. In this way we can use this as a teaching learning material without any cost. This is zero investment. Okay. And lastly but not least, I'm very thankful to ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and HDFC Parivartan for organizing e-exhibition for us, and showcasing my innovative ideas. And if you really like the video, please give a good rating. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lamawam Sonia Devi and I am a teacher of Namthong Upper Primary School, Imphal West, Manipur. Today, I am going to present a zero investment innovative idea about traffic light with the help of a model. The materials that I use for making this model are very easily available in each household, like paper, pencil box, colors, glue, scissor, and the bottle caps. By using such materials, I made a model of traffic light like this. You see, in this model, you can see the 3 different colors, red, yellow, and green. This 3 color represents the traffic lights. Whenever you see in a traffic point like this means the red light is on, then it means stop. When the yellow light is on, then it means get ready to go. Likewise, when you see the green light is on, then it means go. So I believe that this kind of model helps me in teaching, and it will be very effective and interesting for the student when we use such model as TLM. And remember, let's obey the traffic rules. So I am very thankful to ZIIEI for giving me this opportunity to present my idea, and I am very happy that ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and the HDFC Bank for organizing e-exhibition for us. Please give good rating if you like my idea. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Layam Singh. I am a graduate teacher of Brahmpur Junior High School. I belong to Imphal East, Manipur. I am grateful to ZIIEI Aurobindo Society for imparting us training on zero investment innovation for education initiative, and HDFC Parivartan for supporting this initiative. And I got the opportunity to showcase my innovative idea, which helped me win a recognition on national platform. And I developed teaching learning material naming Art of Square, Cut, and Thread. And I use teaching learning material this chart paper, this square card of inches, thread, ruler, pins, and marker. In this chart paper, I have drawn square of 3 inches and area rectangle, length 3 and breadth 4 inches. We all know that to find out the area of the formula of to find the area of square and area of rectangle, we all know that. But before applying this formula, I just want to clear the concept of area of a square with this square card. I place this square card here inside the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the area of this square is 9 square inches. So we can easily find out the area of square with the help of this square card. Similarly, we can find out the area of rectangle like this. And after knowing this, we can apply a formula. So this is one. And another one is how to find out the perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle by using this thread. I have fixed pin all the 4 corners of the square, and after that I surround the figure with thread like this. And the end point is marked here, and now we can measure the length of the thread like this. So this is 12. This is the 3 inch and 3 inch. The length of this side is 3 inches. So the perimeter of square is 12 inches. With the help of this ruler, we can easily find out the perimeter of square. After knowing this, we can apply formula. So to the student, we can give the clear concept of perimeter. Perimeter is nothing, the total length of the boundary. Similarly, we can also find out the perimeter of rectangle. So this is my innovative idea how to find out square with square card, and how to find out the perimeter of square or rectangle with thread and ruler. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kamuzam Nuksitombi Devi of Hawamarak ZIIEI High School. I am from Imphal West District, Manipur. Today I am going to present you my zero investment innovative idea, which is simply a family tree. Family tree. The materials required for the family tree are some used clothes, marker, scissor, glue, and the photographs of my family. First of all, let us take the white cloth. Again, let's take this cloth and then cut it into a shape of a tree. Now let's cut it into a shape of leaf of a tree, like this, like this. Now I have this tree-like structure and this leaf-like structure, the photographs and the glue. Let us take this white cloth and pass this tree-like structure on this white cloth like this, like this, like this. Now we have the final structure of a family tree. Here you can see, you can easily understand what a family tree is. Here This is a picture of grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, sister, brother, and the youngest one. When you look at this family tree, you will be able to understand the members of a family. This will tell you the relationship among the members of the family. Family consists of grandparents, parents, and their children. So this family tree will show you a complete picture of a family. When a children look at this picture of family tree, they will be easily able to make a family tree of their own. This idea will be useful in teaching the topic of My Family and Me of Class 3 EVS subject. Finally, I would like to thank ZIIEI for giving us an opportunity to showcase such an idea. I am also grateful to ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for organizing such an exhibition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Wang Govind Singh. I am a teacher of Laikwon Upper Primary School, Imphal East District, Manipur. I am very thankful to ZIIEI Aurobindo Society for imparting us the training on zero investment innovation for education initiative and HDFC Parivartan for supporting this initiative. And I got an opportunity to showcase my innovative ideas which helped me win a recognition on national platform. I am going to present my zero investment innovative idea. The name of my idea is to show the pumping of lungs in our body. The materials required for my TLM are waste cardboard, use IB set, some cellotapes, 2 small playing balloons, and some colors, scissors, and a pen. So I will be teaching how to make my TLM. First, I draw the parts of the respiratory system, including the 2 lungs and from the mouth. Okay. Then after that, I draw it, the respiratory system, some parts, and I cut it this. Okay, I cut it just like that. These 2 lungs from there mouth. Then after that, from that, I use IB set. I cut 2 pieces, just like that. Okay, okay, just like that. This in the end of this, okay, in the end of this 2 IB set, I stitch this balloon. Okay, just like that. I stitch it. Then I stitch the 2 balloon. Okay, instead of blue, I will write 2 red balloon or any color. You can choose any color balloon. Okay, I stitch it in the end of this 2. Okay, then I will check this. Okay, this one. No leak. Okay, okay. After that, I have to put it in this just like that. We have to think this is the 2 lungs in our body, and I put this 2 balloons. Okay, just like that. I stitch it. After that, I will stitch just like that. Okay, in the 2 balloons, small balloons, just like that, and stitch it, and I will check it first. Okay. Okay, after that, the TML is finished. But for this, I will put in a stand just like that. It's a simple cork. I put it in a stand. Okay. So my TML is finished. Now, I will call one of my students to show this. Okay, come. Then inhale here in this. Okay. Just. Okay, when he go, okay, the size of the balloon will increase. and when you inhale out, the size of the balloon will decrease. Okay, from this increase in size, I will explain to the students. When we inhale air, then the size of our lungs will pump. Just like that, when we breathing, the size of the lungs will be pump out and pump. Okay, this is my channel. I think this camera will be very helpful to my students.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Toksham Surbala Devi, and I am an upper primary teacher at Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School in Imphal West District. First of all, I would like to thank ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and HDFC Parivartan for giving me an opportunity to showcase my innovative ideas on zero investment innovation. So today I have prepared a simple TLM of parts of a flower by using the materials that are easily available at home. The material that I have used are some color paper, scissors, scale, sketch pen, and glue. So by using these materials, I have prepared a simple TLM of a part of a flower, and the model of the TLM is like this. Yes, we all know that flowers are of different shapes, size, and colors. There are four main parts of a flower. There are sepals, petals, stamen, and pistil. The small leaf-like part of the flower is called the sepal, and the petals are the bright colored part of the flower, which are usually used for attracting the pollinators. They are called the petals, and they are present above the sepals. And the male part of the flower is called the stamen, and it consists of two parts, anther and filament. The head part of the stamen is called the anther, and the long and slender part of the stamen is called the filament. And the female part consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma is the head part of the pistil, style is the middle slender part, and the lowermost swollen part of the pistil is called the ovary, and inside the ovary, ovules are present. So by using this simple TLM, student can easily know about the parts of the flower. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Brahmachari Mem Somolata Devi from Thamiban Sinam Laikai. I am a primary teacher of Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School, Thamiban Sinam Laikai, ZIIEI Zone 1, Imphal West, Manipur. Today, I am going to present a mathematical concept about what comes before and after a given number by using a zero investment innovations in a simple way. In order to explain this concept, we need to take some teaching learning materials such as the scissors, glue sticks, sketch pen, pencil, erasers, rulers, matchstick box, white plain papers, color plain papers, and cardboards. These all materials have found in my home easily. First of all, we take an empty matchbox, removing the inner part. After that, we wrap the outer part of the matchbox with a white plain paper, just like this. And on the top of it, we write a digit, just like this. Likewise, we write the two digits separately in the inner part also, like this. One number is before and the other number is after number. So the whole arrangement looked like this. Now the next step to make the concept clear about before and after number. So you can see I have used an empty matchbox here. This is a simple cardboard. Before 1 is 0, after 1 is 2. Likewise, before 2 is 1 and after 2 is 3. You slide this way, comes before number. If you slide this way, comes after number. So this is the excellent way to make the concept of before and after number clear. This is very simple learning materials using the waste materials. Lastly, I would like to thank ZIIEI Zone 1, Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC for giving me good opportunities to present my innovative idea. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nauram Lezina Devi. I am a primary teacher of Lalambung High School located opposite to Imphal Hospital, Imphal West, Manipur. Today, I am going to present my zero investment innovation idea with a very interesting topic called emotions. The material required for my topic are a glue, a marker, and some colors because children love colors, a scissor, this bangle to make circles, to draw emotions, and if you don't have this kind of bangles you can use anything to make circles, and a yellow and a white A4 size paper, and this cardboard. With those materials I have drawn and make circles and make these emotions pictures, and with those A4 size paper I have cut down and write their names. Emotions we can also call it feelings. This is happy means feeling pleasure. Look, he is smiling. And this is sad means feeling sad, don't want to speak anything, look at his mouth. And this is angry. When someone calls you or beat you, you feel like fighting or screaming or something like that. Look at his face. And this is silly. Silly means foolishness. When we did something foolishness, we often act like this all most of the time. And this is excited. Excited means eager for something, some kind of birthday or a big festival, or getting some new dresses or shoes. That is also, we can call it excitement or excited. And sleepy. Look how beautiful this picture is. This is the most beautiful picture to me. And sea is full of happiness and in rest. Look how peaceful his sea looks. So my emotions are happy, sad, angry, silly, excited, and sleepy. Thank you ZIIEI for giving me such a good opportunity to present my idea. I'm happy that Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank have started organizing e-exhibition for us. If you like my innovative idea, please give it a good rating. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, my name is Oinam Joshi Singh. I am a teacher of Hawung Marag ZIIEI High School, Imphal West, Manipur, and my address is Khagimpally Khudrom Laikai. Today, I am going to exhibit my zero investment idea to demonstrate an algebraic identity. The materials required are very simple, which are of zero investment, like this used book covers, a scissor and a marker, a ruler. Alright, so we shall begin with the demonstration now. Like what we will do is basically we will cut off a smaller square and a larger square out of these two book covers like this. I have already cut off two different squares here. Let's take the first square. The larger square is of length A and the smaller square is of length B, like this. And we shall cut off two more rectangles here whose dimensions are of length A and breadth B, of length A and breadth B, like this. Okay, so as we have already know that area of a square is given by square of the sides, so the area of this larger square is A square and the area of the smaller square is B square, and the area of each of this rectangle is A into B, AB, like this. A into B, AB, like this. So what we have is two rectangles of area AB and two squares of area A square and B square. So we will form a larger circle, larger square here by putting together these four shapes. What we get here is A square plus B square plus AB, AB twice AB. So what we have is A square plus B square plus twice AB. And if we look at the larger square here, the length of each of this side is A plus B. So A plus B whole square equals A square plus B square plus twice AB. And thank you very much, friends. If you like my video, please give it a very good rating. Thanks to ZIIEI, Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for giving this opportunity.
I am Bukhrambam Ragini Bala, an upper primary teacher of Narimthang Upper Primary School, Imphal West, Manipur. I am very much thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Parivartan for giving me an opportunity to showcase my idea. Today, I have prepared a model on the layers of the atmosphere. To prepare this model, we need the things like scale, ball, divider, pencil, eraser, a bottle cap, chart paper, old book cover, pencil colors, sketch pens and glue. With the help of these things, I have prepared this model. Okay, this model is about the 5 layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. The first layer and the lowest layer is the troposphere layer. In this layer, all kinds of weather phenomena happens here. The second layer is the stratosphere layer. The stratosphere layer is the dry layer. Therefore, in this layer, there is no disturbance of weather phenomena. So it is best for air travel. And in the lower part of the stratosphere layer, we find the ozone layer, which absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, the third layer is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. This layer burns down the meteors which come from the outer space. The fourth layer is the thermosphere layer. In this thermosphere layer, electrically charged particles, which are called as ions, are present here. Therefore, all the radioactive waves which are sent from the earth are reflected back to the earth. The uppermost layer and the last layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere layer. In this layer, there is high temperature, very high temperature, and at the same time the density of air is very low. Therefore, in this layer we find the unmanned satellites, rockets, observatory rockets here in this layer. So with the help of this model, I hope the student will understand the lesson very easily and clearly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kundongbam Albatoni Devi. I'm a primary teacher of Waikom Lekai Upper Primary School, Imphal West, Manipur. Today, I'm going to present you my zero investment innovative idea. The name of my innovative idea is TUSBOT. Objective of making TUSBOT is to increase the sensitivity of the students, especially for their writing skills. We all know that writing is a really very tough task for small children, that is pre-nursery and nursery classes. Materials required for making TUSBOT are plain paper for making board, next is smooth paper, third one is sandpaper, scissor for cutting, glue for pasting, pencil, scale, etc. How to prepare TUSBOT? Let us cut the smooth paper and the sandpaper in the square shape or rectangular shape. For me, I am using square shape. Now, let us paste it on the white paper board into two sections. It can be bounded by any color paper for looking attraction. The final result will be like this. Next is how to use the TUSBOT board. Let us ask the children to toss the board, that is the smooth paper section, from top to bottom. And again, ask the children to toss the sandpaper section from top to bottom. In the same way, again and again. By doing so, the sensitivity of the children will be increased. Definitely, it will help to improve the children's writing skill. This is the benefit of touchboard for small children. It is our great fortune that ZIIET has given us a good opportunity to present my idea. I am very happy that ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank have started organizing e-exhibition for us. If you like my innovative idea, please give it good rating. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Khorom Nandita. I am from Langathen Mandakini Upper Primary School, Thawbal District, Manipur. I am going to present my zero investment innovative ideas on part of plants and type of roots. And the material required for this are paper, sketch pen, pencil and eraser and one models of plants. My idea on this topic will help the student to gain better knowledge and understand the topic very easily. With the help of this model, now I am going to explain the different parts of the plant and type of root. Plant have two parts. One part which is above the ground and another under the ground, in which stem remain above the ground and bear leaf, branches, fruit, flower and bud. And the root remain underground, which help to fix the plant to the soil. Root of the most plant grow in the soil. Now, the type of the root. There are two types of root. First one is the taproot and another is the fibrous root. Taproot is the type of root which have long and thick root, grow straight. Smaller root grow from the side of the root. And few the examples of this root are carrot, turnip, and the mustard root, etc. Now, the second type of root is the fibrous root. It is a type of root which have a bunch of long and thin root. Plants having fibrous root protect soil erosion. Soil erosion means washing away of good soil by wind, water, etc. And few of the examples of this root are grass, maize root, rice root, etc. With this, I conclude my topic. So, after using this TLM, student will be able to have clear and better concept about the topic. Now, but not the least, I am very thankful to the Zero Investment Innovation for Education initiative, which has given us a good opportunity to present my idea. I am really honored that ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank have started organizing e-exhibition for us. If you like my innovative idea, please give it good rating. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Laisam Dinachandra Singh. I am a primary teacher of Uribok International in Thamomasa High School, Zone 1, Imphal West, Manipur. Today I am going to present and exhibit my zero investment innovative idea. The name of my idea is Living Being and Their Shelter. The required for my innovative idea are sketch pen marker, pencil, scissor, glue, cotton, rubber, scale, all and the unused notebooks and books and cardboard. With this material, we will be able to make this flashcard of living being and the shelter. I'll distribute all the flashcards to the student to make them understand which living being needs what kind of shelter, and ask them to find their appropriate shelter for living being and living being with shelter. Like shelter house is a shelter of human being, and we will continue the following. Say canine is for dog. By this playway method, they may understand the different types of shelter with appropriate living being. My idea is very effective and useful in teaching the concept of living being and their shelter to their students. I'm very glad that ZIIEI has given us a good opportunity to showcase, exhibit, and present my idea. I'm very happy that ZIIEI Aurobindo Society and ISTFC have started organizing e-exhibitions for us. If you like my innovative idea, please give it a good rating. Thank you.